Mick Jagger and his longtime girlfriend, Melanie Hamrick, stepped out for a rare public date night on Saturday, March 1st. The two were in attendance at the annual Chanel and Charles Finch's pre-Oscars dinner, held in Beverly Hills. The Polo Lounge at the Beverly Hills Hotel was the setting for some images between Jagger and Hamrick. Over a gray shirt and blue pants, the Rolling Stones frontman sported a pink bomber jacket. He was seen mingling with a slew of A-listers at the party, including Oscar nominees Adrian Brody and Coleman Domingo. Conversely, Hamrick wore Chanel, which was a very event-appropriate choice of clothing. A strapless black dress, a silver chain belt, and open-toed shoes were her finishing touches. Before embarking on her evening out, she posted a few Instagram shots of her outfit. Since 2014, Jagger and Hamrick have been in a relationship. Sometime during Hamrick's tour of Japan and Jagger's time with the American Ballet Theatre crossed paths, as reported in People magazine. They began seeing each other, but they worked hard to keep their romance under wraps. 2 years down the road, they made the happy announcement that they were expecting their first child. They welcomed a boy, Devereaux Octavian Basil, into the world in 2016, and her name is Hamrick. Jagger has spoken publicly about welcoming a kid into the world at a young age. He is the father of 7 children from other partnerships. A lovely family stands with me and cheers me on. This is what he had to say about having young children. That makes you feel like you're relevant, he told the Wall Street Journal in June 2023.